new project to work on. Should be fun. Alright, this is the next project for the shop. Just an old lathe that a friend found. He got it with an old engine-driven welder, and I made him a set of tools for lining holes, and he gave me this for free. So I figured try to get it to work. I'm sure it's not going to be very accurate. It's pretty pitted here, but I think it'd just be cool to clean it up and use it for stuff that doesn't matter. So yeah, like to clean it completely, get some paint on it, make it look good, and hopefully one day it'll work. I'd have to get a flat belt set up here, a shaft that runs on a V-belt. We got motors here I can use. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna start tearing into it. back on it. Alright, well that's probably all for today. Got the saddle here all cleaned up. I'll probably paint that in the morning tomorrow. Everything else is apart. It's in a lot better shape than I thought it was. Nothing was rusted together. The shafts all look good. There's no wear in them. The gears, there's no broken teeth on any of the gears. There is this one piece is broken for the, I think it's for the lead screw, I don't remember. That's broken, but I can braze that back together pretty easy, I think. Yeah, but other than that, it looks good. If anyone would happen to know what kind of lathe this is, you could tell me, because I have no clue. I'm assuming there's a name tag here, but it's gone. So I don't know what it is. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you next time.